Hello, this is Adam from the Adam Lab, and this is the M1 Max Mac Studio, or as I call it, the M1 Mac Pro. Let's go ahead and open it. Cannot get more satisfying than that. It opens like a lotus flower. And here we go. It's heavy. This thing is definitely heavy. So we have the cable here. And it's a braided cable as well. That's the box. For the specs, we're looking at the M1 Max with 512GB SSD and 32GB of RAM, which is the base model that runs for $2,000. The king of the party. Let's go ahead and open the cloth. This is beautiful. So you have one USB-C, two USB-Cs, and these are normal USB-Cs, but if you go with the Ultra version, you will get Thunderbolt 4, and then the SD card that the maximum read and write for it speed-wise is 300 megabytes, which is actually really cool. I always use it on my M1 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch. And this is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see, but it goes really quickly. It goes by. And that is the I/O on the back. So you have normal USB with power connector, and then HDMI, USB-C, and here you have 4 Thunderbolt, 2 USB-A, which is nice to see, and then HDMI, and the last one is a headphone jack. And then here you have the power button, and that's the exhaust for the air in the back, with Mac Studio written in the back, if you can see it. And then here at the front, at the other side, it does have an LED, which is an indicator if it's turned on or off. That was the unboxing, and thank you so much for watching.